We'll now take you through the usage of our app Study Break. First, you click the icon labeled Study Break. Then you will connect to Facebook so that we can gather your friends and get their locations. Now we will click View Progress to show what that is. View Progress shows the amount of hours you've studied and you've taken a break, and it also shows when you've taken those breaks. Now we will plan a break. We'll click on the button Plan a Break. Then we'll click on the box to say how many minutes we want to study for before we can take a break. Then we'll click Go to start our study process. Now I'll show what the current time is and what the time of our break will be. We can also click the button to add more time. This will take us back to the Plan a Break section, and we can put in a new time for how long we want the break to be. However, for us, we will just choose it to be 60 again. Now let's let 60 minutes pass. We can now take a break because we have worked the 60 minutes. If we click the Take a Break button, we then see the 11 friends who are currently on break and where they are. We can now click how many minutes we want this break to be and set how many minutes. Let's set to 30 minutes. Then we click Go to start our break. This then shows how many minutes are remaining and starts the counter. We can now go find our friends because we know where they are and hang out with them. 30 minutes, our break is up, and now we can schedule when our next break will be by saying how much longer we'll be working. After we did a user interview, we made changes to our Study Break app. One of the changes we made was to the Plan a Break system. People were confused with the number of whether it was minutes or hours. So we got rid of the minutes hours system and just wrote minutes. When you click it and input your number, it just changes the number to the number you inputted. The second change we made was in the Take a Break section. We found from our user interviews that people wanted, after choosing to take a break, to see how many people were currently taking a break, and if there weren't enough, they wanted a choice to go back. So we added a Study More button, which takes people back to plan a break so they can add more time and study some more, and hopefully more people will be taking a break, allowing for more social interactions.